Hello, my name is Alex from FTC Team 18172 Uplift Robotics, and I'm going to talk about the configuration file and other settings in PTC Creo today. I won't go too in depth, but I'll get you set up with some of the basic options that everyone should know to use Creo smoothly and efficiently. Your configuration or config file is a document that defines how Creo operates. There are countless options that you can spend hours going through if you wanted to, but a lot of the more crucial ones are more accessible, such as the ones that you can simply find in the Options tab under File. Those even have a nice GUI for you to use, and the settings that you find in the Options tab are going to make up a large portion of the configurations that you might want to set. But there are a couple other basic ones that are really helpful. At the bottom of the Options tab, you'll find the Configuration Editor, which is a way you can find, add, and edit different options that you may want to. The Configuration Editor will read your current selections from the config.profile, which by default should be located within your Creo common files. I created my own config.profile by copying the default one to my user, which just makes the file more accessible. There are a lot of options, and the ones that I have changed are just because I noticed them while working and googled their configuration name. For example, when I opened a larger assembly, the reference datums were very distracting, so I found and disabled all the datums except for the planes. Although this issue is most likely better solved by using the Layers tool, which allows you to control the visibility of your assemblies with much more precision, I've personally yet to really explore layers and have found this to be a decent fix. In cases such as these, the best advice I have to give is to look up the configuration either using the Find button in Creo and looking up keywords relating to what you want to find, or by simply looking up what you want on the internet. Either way, you'll most likely be able to find a config that suits your needs and will make Creo a better CAD software for you. Some of the most critical uses in the config file are the search path and search path file configurations. They're useful because often many of the commercial off-the-shelf parts or custom parts that you're going to use are going to be in a separate directory or library and will not be searched through unless specified. Creo searches for models in a couple of steps, specifically going through the directory of the file, then the current session, then the active workspace, the current working directory, and then search paths. The search path configuration specifies directories that Creo should look through to find models and will bring them into your assemblies as they are found. The search path file configuration points to the location of a search.profile, which is a list of search path configurations that reduces the clutter in your config.profile. Either method works, and both are going to be very helpful in being able to smoothly open assemblies without facing a lot of errors at every turn. This video may have been a bit short, but it's very important that you're able to take advantage of the massive amount of configurations that Creo provides, especially the ones that are going to affect how you CAD every day. Being able to work efficiently in Creo is driven directly from the config file, and it's a good place to explore if you've taken the time to learn how to use the basics of Creo first. Thank you for watching this video. This has been Alex from Team 18172 Uplift Robotics. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them in the comments. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.